welcome to this cryptocurrency investment course for your retirement fund with me, Supoman. In this course, I am going to be enlightening you on the most incredible opportunity at the moment in order to be able to build your retirement fund using cryptocurrency trading. Now, I am a cryptocurrency trader, and I have to admit that while it's very nerve-wracking and while it's very, very uncertain, it is undoubtedly the most exciting opportunity and most exciting way to actually invest and create wealth for yourself at the moment. Now, I'm not normally one for these make money online, make money schemes. I'm not up for scams or anything like that, which is why I am presenting this course to you to let you know and educate you about cryptocurrencies. Because when I first heard about it, I thought, I don't want any part of this, because it sounds like one of those get rich quick schemes where actually you lose a load of money. It must be a scam. It must be fake. All of that stuff. But now, having gone into trading on cryptocurrencies, I have to admit it is extremely exciting, and there's a huge opportunity that's available to all. One of the things that have frustrated me in all my life is being late to the party. Okay, I experienced it when I started creating websites and buying domains, and I was 4 years out of date to be able to make money on websites. I then went into making apps, and I was about 2 to 3 years just out of date with making something that could have been huge. And this is one of those opportunities where the party is happening now. The opportunity is right now. The gold rush or gold mine or whatever is happening now. And for the first time in my whole life, I feel I am in the best place at the current time to make the most of this opportunity. So in this course, we are going to cover cryptocurrencies so that you know exactly what's involved, how to get started, and how to make the most of investing. Because investing is one of the toughest things to do with cryptocurrencies, and you may feel early on that you actually don't want to do it. Okay, so this is going to help give you an education as to do it the best way. So what are we going to cover? I am going to help you get started on cryptocurrencies. What are they, and why should you be getting involved in it? We're going to be talking about the different platforms, the exchange, the wallets. We're going to be going through all the jargon. But where do you buy cryptocurrencies? How do you get started? What do you need to get started? Do I need qualifications? Do I need a certain amount of money deposited? I am going to be telling you all of that. I am going to be showing you systems to find the value in the cryptocurrency. Okay, when you look at cryptocurrencies, for instance, right now we are on Poloniex. When you look at cryptocurrencies, you're kind of like, what on earth am I looking at? Okay, so I am going to be telling you all about how to find the value in them. Okay, so Zcash, for instance, look, that has gone up 62 points in the last 24 hours. Why? Where has the value come from? What have people seen that have made them invest in Zcash? And look, it's going up as we speak. Okay? So the reason why is because people have seen value in it, and what they're doing is that they're investing in it now, and they're looking to ride a wave. Okay? And if we continue looking down these cryptocurrencies, you can see some have lost value, and you can see that some have gained value. So why? Why is that? That is what we are going to be covering in this course. And we're also going to be looking at buying strategies, okay? Because there are different ways to buy cryptocurrency, different strategies behind the ways you buy them. Do you buy them for a short term, medium term, long term? We are going to go through those in this course. Then we're going to be talking about cashing out, okay? So once you learn all the strategies to find the value, invest in the right cryptocurrency, and make a ton of money from it, how do you cash that money out? Okay, how do you put it in your bank account and put it in that retirement fund? And this course will be updated. Okay, so really what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to get you started, I'm going to get you in the thick of it, and I'm going to really have you coming out of this course with confidence. Confidence that you can go into cryptocurrency trading. We are going to be going through this experimentally, okay, which means that you are going to be investing in cryptocurrencies as we go through this course. And of course, I'm going to keep this course updated as new technologies emerge, as cryptocurrencies begin to emerge, really good new ones, some that are really worth investing in now. So I am hoping that this will be a real-time course. I'm going to teach you the theory, and then the rest of the course is going to be all about what should you invest in now. So it's almost going to be a little bit like YouTube. Okay, so this course will be introducing videos as we go along as to what are the #1 investment opportunities right now. Okay, and I'm going to keep the course updated with that. So with that in mind, let us get started with your cryptocurrency journey.